Here we are, 8 o'clock Tuesday, 26 hours later. We've arrived, and Barley is just about to see the house for the first time. Let's go! Yay, Barley, Barley, Barley! Yay! Run around, run around! It's okay, run! Look, there's a house! Go get it! What's that house? What's that house?
Come on. Let's go. What is that? That's our house. Go get it. Come on, let's go this way.
Yay! He likes it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good dog. Welcome home.